to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. In today's video, I'm just doing a vlog. I'm actually meeting up with a couple of friends in London. So I said, you know what, let me just do a vlog. It's been long I did a vlog actually. So I said, let me just do a vlog and just carry you guys along on how my day goes. Yeah, there's nothing much. I'm going to be meeting them up at King's Cross. Yeah, now I'm just going to have my bath. This Thursday, by the way, and it's currently like 9:09 ish. So I'm just going to have my shower, dress up, and I'll be on my way in a bit. The plan is to meet up around 12, but hopefully I will be able to do that because my train actually is at 11:04 a.m. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Hi guys, so I just finished dressing up and this is what I'm wearing. Just simple, this boyfriend shirt and boots and leggings. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I just got to the bus now. Yeah, I'm on my way to the train station. It's currently 10 minutes away. I'm on my way to the train station now. I hope I have missed the train though. I hope I can still meet up with the time. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, meet these cute ladies. Introduce yourself now.
Let's see hi.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself now. You guys should know Grace from the Scotland trip and everything. She's in London. Are you enjoying London? Must you spoil video? Are you enjoying London?
I guess so.
Oh, and Madam Mrs. Exhibition, but we don't know what's up yet. What exactly are you looking at?
Be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
So you guys, we're at Enish now.
Yeah, fun.
Yes, now. Why do you think we are here? Fuji. This is the menu.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have amala and abura with assorted meat and chocolate. Yep. That was nice. But we like this, I'm on a diet, you know. So I'm not eating much. You understand? Look at all these ladies eating. See how big our plate is. And you finish everything like this. You can just take it anyway.
What's up? What you guys are enjoying? I know.
Talked about everything that was on
You want to
Say hello to my YouTube channel in absentia.
Don't wanna be shy.
Hi guys in absentia.
Okay,
No, just pick anyone.
Be shy.
who is gone? Zone. We have a side. And they're back to reality now. Which reality? This is your reality now.
The reality is that I get to work tomorrow. When they start handing over to me, they start
Exactly.
telling me that, oh, okay, this was what happened. And this is what happened, this was what we did. That's when my reality is going to start. But for now,
This
reality has not done.
has not started yet.
At least, no, the enjoyment spirit is still there. But still get to my. Let them start handing over to
Exactly.
me tomorrow.
Exactly.
Then I'll start thinking. People
Yeah.
were sending 1 million to the video yesterday. I was there doing long.
What are you doing with your
long
life?
day, long day. Long day.
But you know, you rise by lifting others and you start somewhere. So you can start by sending like, you know, 200 pounds to me. Let's start from there. You upgrade as time goes on.
You can start by sending some to me as well.
I sent you some last week. Have you forgotten?
You can start by ordering my.
I sent some to you last week.
I see. This got the
Alright guys, it was fun. It was nice to see you. And Madam Scotland, we'll see you next year. By God's grace.
for graduation. No, next year is not graduation now.
You're laughing. My video. Hi guys, I'm back home now. I literally just entered the house right now and it's 8 p.m. on the dot. Wow, it was a really nice day actually. It was cool, nice to see them ladies again. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys when next I see you. Bye guys.
Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Hi guys, so I've just finished dressing up and this is what I'm wearing. I know I've not spoken like from the beginning of this part of the vlog. So today is Tuesday and I'm actually going out. I'm going to, yeah, it's obvious I'm going out, right? So I'm going to IKEA today. Just want to get a couple of things and then just look around, see what's up for Christmas and you know, every other thing. Just see what's up, what's going on in IKEA at the moment. So this is what I'm wearing, nothing serious. You guys, I actually wore white before, but I changed my mind. I didn't really like how it was looking, so I decided to, you know, wear all black and then just pair it with this top. I actually do like what it looks like. It looks really cute. So it's currently 12:55 now and the bus should be in about 15 minutes or 10 minutes or thereabout. So yeah, I'll carry you guys along and I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of the vlog and everything. I really like the way I look. Like, girl, you're so pretty. Right, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Hey guys, so I just got to the rail station. Why are you laughing? So I just got to the rail station now, and I'm trying to be here in like 4 minutes to Reading. So I'm just waiting here. It's a bit chilly, but it's not too bad. Okay, see you guys later. So that's the train coming. It's here. Are we go now?
Plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure.
Hey guys, so like literally been here since like 3 p.m. and it's currently like 6:13 p.m. almost done though. My cart is there. We're just waiting a little bit more for checkout. It shouldn't take that much anymore. In a few minutes we'll be done. Hey guys, I just got back home now, but I need to rush out quickly again. It's currently 8:58, but I need to rush out quickly again. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, I know you guys cannot see me, but this baby girl is so tired. So So I rushed back out the other time, and when I came back in, I was so tired. I just showered, ate, and yeah, I'm just resting now. I already switched off my lights. Sorry you guys can't see me, because I'm going to work tomorrow, so I need to like rest well, then go to work from there. Yeah, good night, bye.